What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're about to take a look at some very cool garage lights. So if you have been browsing the internet and you've seen these cool garages with this cool Hexagon lighting systems hanging above, shining on their nice cars, well, this is it. This is going to be those type of lights that's going to take your garage to a whole nother level. So let's open this up and then we'll go over the details. All right, so once you open up that large box, I'm going to go over the main components that you're going to get when you open it up so you can get started. So the most important thing is going to be this installation guide right here. It's going to give you the max design that you can achieve with the lights. So this is going to be the larger system. So this is going to give you a max of 14 hexagons, and then also you can have a rectangle going around those hexagons. So that's going to be the max system. Now, since you have so many hexagons, you have different possibilities. You may want to go with 3 hexagons, or you might want to just go with 6. You can do whatever you want with this amount of lighting. Now, you get your user guide to help you get installed. You're going to get some zip ties. These are going to be the different types of connections, the elbows, the L's. These will be what you use to get the bulbs connected. Now, this is going to be the LED itself inside of its casing. They're very, very lightweight. So even though the structure can be very large, this is very, very light. I mean, it is really, really light, I'm not exaggerating. The LEDs in here are high quality, and even though this is lightweight, quality of the casing is really good itself. So this is going to be your smaller one here. This is going to be your longer one here. So you get, these are going to be your LED bulbs, and then also you get your power cords. Now the power cords are going to be your standard 2 connector. So the one thing that you will have to supply is going to be the actual cord to connect into your power itself. So this is going to get you started. This is going to be a real hands-on type of lighting system, but once you get this unpacked and inside of your garage, you can lay this out on the floor, make sure it works, and then you can get this lifted onto your ceiling. Now, it's recommended that you have a flat ceiling. If you don't have a flat ceiling, you can hang this because it's really lightweight. You lay it out and then you can hang this from your ceiling. So with that said, let's go ahead and get this installed. Well, guys, that's going to be the 14 hex grid system for your garage. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.